Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 5 minutes. And you can buy this template from my Patreon link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is clear up your entire slide, go to pictures and insert a background image. I'm going to use this amazing astronaut and a spaceship image. And let's just get insert this rectangle right below this image, and we're gonna remove this outline and change this fill to using eyedropper from the image. Next, we're gonna duplicate the same image and put it right over onto the same image. We're gonna insert this like the custom shape, and we're gonna trace out this spaceship from it. It depends on your like picture which you're gonna use, and then you're gonna just put the text behind this shape. So I'm gonna put my text behind this spaceship, and so this is why I'm gonna trace it out from the second image. And it is really easy to use this custom shapes, and you can just trace over the like the spaceship, and it will just all you have to do is just key the trace of each of the like lines and other stuff. But and you're gonna connect the last point with the static point. Select the image and then the shape and click on fragment option and the merge option. So this is what we have right now. Put it back onto your picture. We're gonna insert a text box in which we're gonna write a text and increase its size and change the font. And right here like this, what we're gonna do is just put it in the back of this like the yeah, so we're just gonna put it into the back of the astronaut spaceship. You can like look at the angle in which you want to put it. So right now I'm just gonna decrease its size so that I can put it behind the spaceship but not onto their astronaut. And we can also see the like cool effect that our text is behind the spaceship. The next step is that you're gonna insert your subtitle, and right here I'm just gonna write space exploration because NASA is related to space exploration. And you can write anything you want in this, like you can write the tagline of your company or anything else, or your website or anything else. We're gonna insert the text box and give it middle alignment and put it onto this rectangle just out of the slide. Next, insert a text box and we're gonna write a title, and this is gonna be like you can insert a quote or you can write simple title. So right now what I'm gonna use is a quote which says space beyond our imagination. Next we're gonna insert another text box in which we're gonna write like the speech commas or bubble speech commas, and we're gonna just put them right on one on top of our quote or a tagline and one on the like below the like the quote. Vote it like this and then put it right here. Let's just move it into like a nice place in the middle of our slide. Next we're gonna just like group them, and then let's just ungroup them and then duplicate the slide, and then we're gonna go to the first slide, move this title and the subtitle out of the slide, one onto the left and one to the right side. Go to the second slide, and then we're gonna just increase the first image and the first slide and both the spaceship and the main image as well. Next what we're gonna do is duplicate the second slide and select this like everything from it and put this rectangle onto the slide. But we're gonna keep in mind that we have to just put it into the middle and the center of our slide. We're copying this and we're gonna just move it onto the one onto the right and one onto the left out of the slide. Select all of the slides, give them more transition, and so this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus, you can get this premium template from my Patreon link in the description below. Don't forget to support us by contributing in our Patreon.